Hello guys and welcome back into a brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default font on Outlook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to open our Outlook app. So here we click on Outlook and then we will need just to search for the settings where we can change our default fonts. So let's just wait for Outlook to launch or to set up. And basically, this is the homepage of Outlook. From here, all we need to do is just to search for files. And basically, we need just to search for a place or for the where we can be able to change our settings or default settings or fonts. So basically, we need just to go to file here, then we click on option. So from option, it will have we will have this menu or this window that will show up. And after that, we will need just to right click here in the mails. And basically from mail, we will need just to search for the fonts or basically stationery to change default fonts from here. And basically, all we need to do is to click on stationery and fonts from here. And those are all the default fonts that are used on your Outlook. So basically, all you need to do now is just to search for things that you would like. For example, if you want to have some themes, means that you will have some kind of templates or themes that you would like, and everything will change automatically. If you want to customize everything, you can just for the new mail messages you can see or change the fonts that you would like, for example, like that. And only for the reply and for all the message, you can give them another font and you can mark comments with something if you would like, etc. So after that, you click OK and you save changes, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.